World, this is JWP, J Ward Primo Beats, coming to you live from my bedroom. In this video, I'll be documenting how to install third-party modules into SynthEdit. Jumping into SynthEdit, under Edit Preferences, the tab File Locations. The bottom here, this is your custom third-party module directory. Heading to my desktop where I have simulated a download. Extract my zip into a folder, and I'm going to click Control-X or right-click Cut. Now I'm going to head into my File Manager, C, Program Files, Common Files, SynthEdit, Modules, and click Paste or Control-V. Now I'm going to head back to SynthEdit and rescan modules. If all that worked out, I should now have my custom modules installed. Check me out on YouTube at JWPTube, Twitch JWP Stream, Facebook JWP Meta, Patreon JWP Patreon, and Discord, link in description. Thanks for watching. Until next time.